Jack and Daddy here at Pine Knob Ski Resort. Jack is now doing the chairlifts and going down the back side. Watch to see how it's done. This newly 7-year-old kid is becoming a ski prodigy. Watch out, Olympics. Go ahead, buddy. Whoa! Find the red kid. Kid the red just flying around. No fear from this kid. What do you think, Jack? Fun?
Yeah, Daddy, I was like straight down.
All right, we are back here at Pine Knob. Jack Jacobs going down. Whenever you're ready, Jack, rock and roll, pal. I will do my best to keep up, but it ain't easy for me. Just fly. Look at that boy go. Let's keep an eye on him. Oh, he's out of sight. Let's go find him. There we go. There he is. Let's go up that hill. He does jumps now, in case you guys are wondering. Look at him go up the mountain. And down. Who is this kid? Wow, Jack. Way to go, Jack Jacob!